Hello students, welcome to Math Studio. Today we will learn how to make square root spiral. But what is square root spiral? Square root spiral is a method to represent irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 on the number line. It is used for creating beautiful designs also, like skirt of a dancing girls, snail, etc. Now today let us learn how to make it. It is really very simple. You have to make use of the concept of Pythagoras theorem. So here I draw one line. It will be better if I make it like this. I draw a line and I take 1 unit on it. 1 unit I can always here take as 1 inch, right? I am taking 1 unit as 1 inch, and then here also I have marked on my scale these two marks just to make a 90-degree angle. If you want to make, you can make with the compass also, right? If you are not very accurate, then compass would be the better idea. You can, this is 60, then I have 120, then I have 90-degree, all right, and I join it. But I need 1 unit here, so I will measure it equal to this 1 unit. It's up to this, so I'll mark it here. By chance I have got it here. So O A, let's call it B. Now I join OB. Join OB. Notice here that I have 1 unit here and 1 unit here. Therefore, and this is a 90-degree angle. So by Pythagoras theorem, this is going to be 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 2. Now, if I have to represent root 2 on this number line, I will open it equal to OB, and from here I'll be putting an arc like this, right? So this point is root 2, so I can make use of this method. Now spiral, how spiral will be made? I continue doing this over it. I'm not using a protractor, but you can make use of the protractor for rest of the markings. So I have marked my scale here like this, and I can keep it straight here, and when I will join this line from here to here, this is 1 unit. Along with that, this is a rectangular portion, rectangular scale, right? And so this is definitely going to be 90-degree. Now I will join, let's call it C, and I join OC. When I will join OC, you see what is happening here. This is 1 unit again, and this one was root 2. So what will be OC? OC will be under the root 2 square, because this length is root 2 square. So root 2 square plus 1 square, which will be equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to root 3. So I've got root 3. Now if I want to represent root 3 on this number line, then what will I do? I will open my compass equal to OC, which is root 3, and then from here I will draw this arc. It meets this line. Let us call it, say this was C, so I had taken this one, let's call it P. Let me call this as Q. So this Q point is root 3. Similarly, I'll keep on doing it, and I can bring it back here on this line. And what will be root 2 distance? Because I am taking from O here, so OP distance is going to be root 2 units, and OQ will be equal to OQ will be equal to root 3 units, right? Now I want to create a spiral, so I continue my process. Here again I will draw one 90-degree angle using my this technique. This is 1 unit, this is root 3 unit. So what is this going to be? C, let me call it as D. OD is going to be under the root 3 square plus 1, which will be 3 plus 1, that is equal to root 4. Similarly again I do once more. So I will be making root 5 now. Root 5. This is always going to be accurate, but because my markings are so accurate. So here now root 6. So again I will do it like this. This is essential that you will be marking your this scale like this, so that when I place it on the line, making it a base, it becomes a straight line like this here. So this gives me a 90-degree angle exactly, right? And then I continue. As much as you want, you can continue. And again here I'll give, this is essential to place it like this completely. This is 90-degree again, and I join it again one more. See how beautifully it is taking turns. If you are not comfortable doing like this, or if you feel that your things will not be accurate, then you can keep on using compass if you don't have a protractor. Otherwise you can use protractor. See here, the spiral is becoming so beautiful. So I can continue it here if I want to do it more. Okay, one more I'll do, and then I finish it. And now this, if you just imagine, if you create a kind of doll here, you make it, and this becomes the skirt of the doll. Or if you create a mouth of the snail, then this becomes the snail here. If you are creating, then this becomes the snail. There are many more ideas. You can be more creative, but the base idea is going to be the same. Hope you have enjoyed making the square root spiral. Thank you.